Student, next third question. So what is given in this question, student?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
Radha, she made an aeroplane, ma'am. It
Hmm.
has different shapes. We have to find the total area of the aeroplane. The paper used in aeroplane.
Okay, so area of the paper used is equal to area of isosceles. This first figure is what type of triangle?
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle. And here we have two rectangle triangle, fourth figure and fifth figure. Okay, and then area of rectangle and then trapezium. Okay, first we will find the area of isosceles triangle. How will you find area of isosceles triangle, children?
By Heron's formula, ma'am.
By Heron's formula. Yes. So area of isosceles triangle is equal to, we can use Heron's formula here. What is that Heron's formula?
Half b into root of 4a square minus
I
b square.
don't use that formula. That formula is not there for 9th. Okay. You can use Heron's formula, right? What is Heron's formula? S into
S minus A.
S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. First of all, we need to find out S value, right? S is equal to, what is the formula to find S value?
A plus B plus C by 2.
A plus B plus C by 2. What is A value, B value and C value, children? This
A
is
and
isosceles
value
triangle,
is
right? Yes.
5.
A value is equal to 5 centimeter.
B
B
is
value is
also
also
5.
equal to 5 centimeter. And what about C value, children?
1, ma'am.
1. Okay. So this is C value, which is equal to 1 centimeter. Now substitute all these values here and find S value. S is equal to A plus B plus C.
11
So
by
5
2.
plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 11 by 2. Okay, S value is 11 by 2. And what about the area? Substitute this S value here and find out area. Area is equal to,
Ma'am, don't we need a decimal number?
don't take decimal.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
let it be in fractional itself, rational number form itself. Okay, so S value is 11 by 2 into S minus A. 11 by 2 minus, what is A value? 5 into 11 by 2 minus B value is 5 into 11 by 2 minus C value is 1. Okay, so square root of 11 by 2 into, take LCM, simplify this bracket.
2, ma'am.
2, LCM is 2, simplify this. 11
1 by
minus
2,
10 by
ma'am.
2, okay, into 11 minus 10 by 2 into, what about this, children? Here also LCM is 2. So 2 into 1 is 2. So 11 minus 2, which is equal to square root of 11 by 2 into 11 minus 10 by 2 is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 11 minus 2 is 9 by
9 by 2.
2. Okay. So what is square root of 9? 3.
3.
And what about the denominator? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 to the power of 4. 2 power 4 is what?
2 power 2.
16.
2, ma'am.
So square root of 16 is 4. Then what will be there inside the root?
11 by 2.
11 by 2,
No, ma'am. 11 by.
only
Yes.
11. 11 by 2,
Sorry,
See,
ma'am. We called
wait,
2
wait.
out.
Okay, wait, I will explain. Which is equal to square root of 11 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 3 by 2, right? Now multiply the numerators, children. 11 into 1 into
9 by
1 into 3
2,
is equal
ma'am.
to 33, yeah. It is 33 by, sorry, here
Mom, it
9.
is 9 by 2.
Okay, okay, 9. So 11 into 9,
99.
by, and denominator 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 16.
16.
Okay, now apply square root for each and every number inside the root. Square root of 11 into square root of 9 by square root of 16. What is square root of 11, children? You will get in decimal. Okay, we have to find out square root of 11 by using square root of long division method. And what is square root of 9?
3.
What is square root
Three.
of 9? 3.
3.
By what is square root of 16?
4.
4. Now can you tell me square root of 11 value by using long division method? What is square root of 11 value? Use long division method and tell me. How to find square root? What is the first step, children?
We have to find the square number which is near to 11.
Yes, which
3.
number is near to 11?
3, ma'am.
3, yeah.
3, ma'am.
3 or 9?
9, ma'am.
9. So that 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Subtract these two. 11 minus
2,
9 is
ma'am.
2. Okay, first step is over. What about second step?
First, we have
have to
to multiply 2 to the quotient, ma'am. 3 2s are
Yes,
6.
we have to multiply the quotient with always 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. So write that 6 here. And next, children,
You have
you
to
have
keep
to
a
give-
decimal point, ma'am.
yes, keep a decimal point in the quotient place and enter 1 0. And after this, we have to give a number here. And the same number also should be given in the place of quotient.
Ma'am, we have
Ma'am,
to
3,
add
ma'am.
another 0, ma'am.
Yes,
Then we can add 3 here.
what ma? Devi
They
Priya,
have to add another 0, ma'am, so
yes,
that
you
they can
have
add
to add
3.
another 0. Yes, good. So now, what number can be given in this
3,
place?
ma'am.
3, yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
63. And here also you should give 3. So now multiply this
189,
with
ma'am.
3. 189.
189, ma'am.
Subtract these two. 200 minus 189.
11, ma'am.
11. Can we stop here itself? 3.3.
Yes, ma'am.
Approximately 3.3. That is enough. Okay. So 3 by 4 into square root of 11 value is 3.3. Now multiply these two and divide the result with 4 children. 3 into 3.3. What is 3 into 3.3?
9.9.
9.9.
9.9. 9.9 divided by 4. Divide 9.9 with 4 and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 2.475, ma'am.
2.475. 2.475. Okay. So this is area of an isosceles triangle. And next we have to find area of right angle triangle. What is the formula for finding area of right angle triangle, children? Which formula can be used?
Half into base into height.
Yes, half into base into height. We know base and height, right? What is base and what is height here?
Base is 1.5 centimeter
Yes,
and
base
height
is
is 6.
1.5 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. Here we have two right angle triangle, right? So can we multiply here 2 times of half into, can we multiply 2 with this area?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So area of right angle triangle. So 2
Base.
and 2 will be cancelled. What is base here? 1.5 and height is 6. Multiply these two. 1.5 into 6, 9, huh?
90. Sorry, ma'am. 9, ma'am.
9 centimeter
9, ma'am.
square. Good. And next, which area we need to find here? Area of rectangle. Area
Length
of
into
rectangle
breadth.
formula, ma?
L into
Length.
B, ma'am.
See, only 3 students are answering. 3 students are answering. What about others? Huh? Devi Priya, Rama Raghavi, Vishnu, Priya, and Sarvesh. What about Pavan? Are you there, Pavan Kumar? Okay, tell me the formula for area of rectangle, children.
Ma'am, length into breadth, ma'am.
Length into breadth. And which is length and which is breadth here?
Length is 6.5 and breadth is 1 centimeter.
So length is 6.5 and breadth is 1 centimeter. Which is equal to
6.5
6.5
centimeters.
6.5
square.
centimeter square, ma'am.
Okay, still we need to find one more area, right? Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. What is the formula, children, for finding area of trapezium?
Area of
Half
the
into-
parallelogram plus area of the equilateral triangle, ma'am.
Half
Why,
into h
you
into
can
a
use area
plus
of
b.
trapezium formula itself, no? Sarvesh. Area of trapezium formula. Tell me area of trapezium formula.
Half
children.
into
Half
h
into h
into
into a plus b.
sum of parallel sides.
Ah. So this is trapezium. One centimeter. Parallel sides length are 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Non-parallel sides are 1 centimeter. Okay, here we know A value and B value. What about height, children? The distance between these two parallel sides. What about height? How to find height? They didn't give height, right? We need to find out. Yes, Pythagoras formula. See, from here, you can draw an altitude. Even from here also. We know this length is equal to 1 centimeter. And what about this length? This is also is equal to 1 centimeter. Clear? But
0.5
the base
centimeter, ma'am.
length is 2 centimeter. But the total length of the base is how much? 2 centimeter. So in that this portion is 1 centimeter means what about the remaining portion, children? What about the remaining portions?
1 centimeter. And the triangle's base is 0.5 centimeter.
0.5 centimeter. This can be taken as 0.5 centimeter and this can be taken as 0.5 centimeter. So instead of taking them in point, we can take in fraction 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. Now apply Pythagoras formula and find out height. Here A, B, C, D is a trapezium and A, B, C, D, AE is the height. So in triangle AED, this is a right angle triangle, right? Apply Pythagoras.
Root of 5 by 2.
Root of 5 by 2.
5 by 4, ma'am. Root of 5 by 4.
Which is hypotenuse side? Which
1
is hypotenuse
centimeter.
side in this triangle?
AD.
AD. AD
AD,
square is equal to side square plus side square. The remaining two sides are DE and AE. So DE square plus AE square. What is AD value? 1. So 1 square is equal to DE value is half the whole square plus AE value is H. So H square. 1 square is 1. And what is 1 by 2 the whole square value? What is 1 by 2?
1 by 4.
1 by 4 plus H square. Move this 1 by 4 to the left hand side. So 1 minus 1 by 4
1
is
by
equal
4.
to H square. Now what is the LCM here?
4.
4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 by 4 is equal to H square. And from this, what is H value, children? Square root of
Root
3
3 by
by
4.
By 2.
root 3 by 4. And if you apply square root to both numerator and denominator, means you will get root 3 by 2. Okay, so this is the height of the trapezium. Now we can find area. So area is equal to half into H value is root 3 by 2 into A value is what, children? 1 centimeter. And what about B value? Which is B value here? Which is B?
2 centimeter, ma'am.
2 centimeter. So half into Root 3 by 2 into 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 root 3 by 4. 3 into what is root 3 value? 1.732.
1.732.
1.732 divided by 4. So multiply this 3 with this 1.732 and divide the result with 4 and tell me the final answer.
Ma'am, 1.299, ma'am.
1.299 final answer.
Yes, ma'am.
1.299. Okay. So this is area of trapezium. Can you tell me the area of the paper used?
We
Area
have
of
to
the
add
paper
all
used
the
is equal
areas,
to,
ma'am.
yes, add all the areas. Yes. So what is area of isosceles triangle we got here? 2.475. So area is equal to 2.475 plus area of two right angle triangle is equal to 9 plus area of rectangle is 6.5 and area of trapezium is equal to 1.299. Add all this and tell me the answer. What is the final answer, children?
Ma'am, 19.274, ma'am.
19.274.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 0.274 and we can take this as 19.3 approximately. In your textbook, they have given 19.4, but 19.3 also we can take. Okay. Copy this. Yes. Yes, Sarvesh, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, instead of changing as 19.3, we can write 19.265 itself, ma'am.
19.265. Maida. 19.265. How 19.265, Vishnu Priya? What's your doubt, Vishnu Priya?
Ma'am, for me, answer came 19.265, ma'am.
19.265, yeah. Then that is equal to 19.3 only, right? Approximately.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May anyone read question number 4? Anyone please read this question and explain. Vishnu Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
read
A
this
tra-
question and explain.
Ma'am, can I
A-
read?
Your name, da. Does anyone please read this question, ma?
Yes, ma'am. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the sides of the triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter, and 30 centimeter, and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter, find the height of the parallelogram. Ma'am, here they are given that the parallelogram and triangle have the same base, that is 28 centimeter, and they also have the same area. We have to, and they have given the sides of the triangle. We have to find the height of the parallelogram.
Okay. So here a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base. 1 minute. Have the same base and the same area. If the sides of the triangle are given 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter, and 30 centimeter, and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter. So here triangle and parallelogram, they are having common
Equal
base,
area.
equal area, and then common base also. Okay. See, the base of the triangle is 28 centimeter, and as well as the base of the parallelogram is also 28 centimeter. Okay, 26 centimeter, and this is 30 centimeter. And what else is given, children? That's it. And we need to find out the height of the parallelogram. Okay, so they have given area of parallelogram is equal to,
Ma'am, how the area will be same, ma'am?
for this proof is there in chapter 9. Okay. If a triangle and parallelogram are having common base means then area of parallelogram will be equal to, in this question they have given like this mark. Okay, but like this problem and like this theorem we have in chapter 9, but chapter 9 is not it this year. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so in question they have given area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. What is area of parallelogram?
Base into height.
Base into height. And what about area of triangle? Which formula can be used here to find
Heron's
area?
Heron's
formula.
formula,
Heron's
ma'am.
formula, root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So for this we need to find out s value first, right? So s is equal to, what is the formula? A plus b plus c by 2. Okay. Substitute a value, b value, c value here. A value is 26, b is 28, c is 30. Divided by 2, which is equal to, what is s value?
42.
42, our final answer. S is equal to 42. Now substitute 42 in this formula. And what is base of the parallelogram? Base of the parallelogram is equal to 28. 28 into height we need to find, right? So let it be h itself. And square root of s is 42 into 42 minus a value is 26 into 42 minus b value is 28 into 42 minus c value is 30. So 28 into h is equal to square root of 42 into, what is 42 minus 26?
16.
16. And 42 minus 28?
14.
14. 42 minus 30?
12.
12. What is square root of 16?
4.
4. And then we can write this 42 as 6 into 7. And this 14 can be written as 7 into 2. And then this 12 can be written as 4 into
3.
or 6 into 2. Better. Oh, no, we will speed. We will write this 12 as 6 into 2. Okay. So 28 into h is equal to 4 times of this. 28 into h is equal to 4 into. So 7 into 7 is 49. What is square root of 49?
7.
7.
7. And next 2 into 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2.
2.
And then 6 into 6 is 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Okay, so from this h is equal to our children 4 into 7 into 2 into 6 by 28. So 7 ones are 7, 4s are, and 4 and 4 will be cancelled. So h
12,
is
ma'am.
equal to 2 into 6 is equal to 12 centimeters. So height of the parallelogram is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, any doubt in this problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can I go to next page, children? Shall I go to next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Devi Priya, explain this problem.
Yes, ma'am. A rhombus-shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its long diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Ma'am, we have to find the rhombus area, ma'am, because
What
they
is
have
the
given the
formula?
diagonal.
Okay, formula for finding rhombus area.
Half into D1 into D2.
Okay.
We have to find another diagonal, ma'am.
But no need to use rhombus formula here. We can use Heron's formula itself to find the area of this entire field. Okay. A rhombus
Yes, ma'am.
shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter, we know in rhombus all the sides will be equal.
Equal.
AB is 30 meter, BC is also 30 meter, DC is also 30 meter, even AD is also 30 meter. Okay, and its longer diagonal is 48 meter. Join AC, either join AC or BD. So AC length is equal to what is given 48 meter. And how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? So what we need to find here, children? First of all,
We
we
have
need to
to
find.
find the area and we have to divide by 18.
Yes, so we have to find the area of this entire field, and then we have to find out how much area will each cow be getting here. So this entire area has been divided among how many cows? 18 cows. Clear? So first of all, find out area. So area of the field is equal to
Area
how
of
can we
triangle
find the
ADC and
yes,
area of triangle
area of
It's an
ABC.
triangle
isosceles triangle,
ADC,
ma'am.
isosceles triangle. Yes, the isosceles triangle one. Even for isosceles triangle also we are using Heron's formula only, right? See, children, if you want to use half into that formula, half into b into square root of 4a square minus b square means you need. Okay, you can use that also, but no need. The formula is not there for ninth, right? Use Heron's itself, children. Okay. So area of triangle ADC plus area of triangle
ABC.
ABC. So first we will find the area of triangle ADC. Heron's. Okay. So area of triangle ADC is equal to, what is the formula? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, what is S value? Before that, what is
54.
A value, B value, and C value?
S value is 54. A is 30.
A value is 30, B value is also 30, and C value is 48.
48.
Okay, so S is equal to 30 plus 48 by 2, which is equal to
108 by 2.
48.
54.
108 by 2, ma'am.
How much? 108. 108 by 2 is equal to 54.
54.
This is S value. So substitute S value, A value, B value, C value in this formula and find out area.
Ma'am, I have a doubt,
Versus-
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in rhombus, a diagonal divides it into two congruent triangles or not?
Diagonal divides.
A rhombus into two congruent triangles, ma'am.
But in this, it is given AC divides this entire field rhombus into two diagonals. Sorry, two equal triangles, right?
Yes, ma'am. Then we
Wait,
can
wait,
write
wait.
two.
Yeah, we can write 2 times of area of triangle AD6, we can write.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
54 into S minus A. 54 minus A value is 30 into 54 minus 30 into 54 minus 48. Which is equal to square root of 54 into what is 54 minus 30?
24.
24. 54 minus 30?
24, ma'am.
24. 54 minus 48?
6.
6. And next split 54. 9 into 6. And this 24 into 24 is 576 into 6. Which is equal to, what is square root of 576? Which is
24.
equal to 24. And 6 into 6, 36. Square root of 36 is 6. And square root of 9
3.
is
3.
Okay. And multiply these three, 24 into 6 into 3.
432.
432.
Yes, ma'am.
432. This is area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC is equal to area of triangle ABC here. Okay. So area of triangle ABC is also 432 meters square. Now area of the field is equal to, area of the field will be equal
432
to
plus
432 plus 432, which is equal to 864 meters square. So we got area of the grass field, and now we have to find how much area of grass field will each cow be getting, which means this area, entire field area has been divided among 18 cows. 18 cows, okay? So we have to find area of grass field will each cow be getting is equal to, this area has been divided among how many cows children here?
18 cows.
So 864 by 18, which is equal to 864 by 18,
48.
48 meters square. So each cow will be getting 48 meters square grass pit. Okay, copy this.
Mom,
Yes, ma. Darshini. Yes, Darshini. Is any doubt, ma? Can we go to next question?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 6. Kirtana, please explain.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, can you show the last page? Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Kirtana. Kirtana.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors, each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter, and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella?
Okay.
Ma'am, they have said that a umbrella is made by 10 triangular pieces, ma'am, with 2
Okay.
different colors, ma'am.
Hmm.
Triangular is measured by 20 centimeter and 50 centimeter, ma'am. And we should find the each area of the triangles, ma'am.
Each area of the triangles, how much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella. So they have given each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter. Okay. So the sides of the triangle is given, which is 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter, then 50 centimeter. So we need to find out the area of all these 10 triangular pieces of cloth. Is that correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Totally, how many colors are used here? Only two
Two
different colors. Okay. So, area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to which formula can be used here? Heron's formula. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Find out S value. S is equal to
60, ma'am.
60, ma'am.
centimeters.
60.
Yes, ma'am.
S is equal to A value is
20
20,
plus 50 plus
50
50.
plus 50.
120 by
By
2 is equal to 60.
120 by 2 is equal to 60. So S is equal to 60 centimeter. And what about area? 60 into 60 minus A value is 20 into S minus B. 60 minus 50
60
into
minus
60 minus 50, which is equal to square root of 60 into, so what is 60 minus 20?
40.
40. 60 minus 50 is 10.
10.
60 minus 50 is 10. Okay. So square root of, can we write this 60 as 6 into 10
Yes,
and write this 40 as 4 into 10? And what is this 10 into 10, children? 10 into 10 is 100.
100
So square root of 100 is 10. See, 10 into 10 is 100. Square root of 100 is 10.
to 10.
And what about this 6 and 4? What is square root of 4?
2, ma'am.
2.
2 into root 6, which is equal to 200
200.
root 6 centimeter square. Okay, this is area of one triangle. Totally, how many triangular pieces are there,
10,
children?
ma'am.
10 triangular pieces are there, but we need to find out how much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella. So, area of each color, yes, area of each color will be equal to 5 into 200 root 6, comma 5 into 200 root 6. Totally, two colors are used here, right? One is blue, another one is white. So we have 5 blue color triangular pieces of cloth, and then remaining 5 triangular pieces are of what color, children? White. So area of each color will be equal to 1000 root 6. Okay. Can you able to understand this?
And don't we have to find the value of root 6 and multiply?
No need, Raya. In textbook, they have stopped here itself. If you want, you can write. Okay, you can find root 6 value and you can multiply it with 1000.
Root 6 value is 2.449.
Are you using calculator, Pavan Kumar?
Mm.
Huh?
For root 6 alone, ma'am.
Huh? What for?
For root 6 alone, I used, ma'am.
For root.
Yes, ma'am.
But no need to use long division method also for finding root 6. Why? Because if you know root 2 and root 3 value means you can find out root 6 value. That itself I said, right? Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11. Should memorize all these values. Square root of 2 is 1.414. Square root of 3 is 1.732. So square root of 6 will be equal to what? Square root of 2 into square root of 3. Just multiply these two, you'll get square root of 6 value. Okay.
Ma'am, here how
Hmm.
ma'am we found out that 5 into that 5, how ma'am we found out?
How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrellas given, right? They have used two types of cloth of different colors.
5 blue, 5 white, ma'am.
5 blue, 5. Because totally 10 triangular pieces are there. So in that 5 are blue and 5 are white. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if the triangular pieces are an odd number, how do we find how much colors are used, ma'am?
If the triangular pieces are in odd number, they won't give Rama Raghavi like that and all. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If they give totally 9 triangular pieces are there, means they will mention like 5 are blue and 4 are some other color, like that they will give. Okay, don't worry.